The ultimate guide to clean gas stove grates.
Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore the best cleaning products and methods for gas stove grates. It's crucial to maintain the cleanliness of your gas stove grates not only for aesthetic reasons but also to ensure its proper functioning. Let's dive into the practical steps to get those grates clean.
What do you need?
To get started, you'll need a few things. 1. A dish soap. A mild dish soap is often enough for grates that aren't overly dirty. You don't need to go for a specific brand, just use your regular dish soap. 2. A degreaser. For heavily soiled grates, a good degreaser can be very helpful. Look for one that's safe to use on your specific stove grates. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when using these products. 3. A non-abrasive scrub brush or sponge. You'll need this to scrub the grates. Avoid metallic brushes as they can scratch and damage the grates. 4. Baking soda. This common household item is a fantastic, natural cleaning agent that can be very effective for cleaning gas stove grates. 5. Vinegar. This is another great natural cleaner that can be used in combination with baking soda to clean grates.
How do you clean gas stove grates?
Here are the steps to clean your gas stove grates. 1. Remove the grates from your stove. It's easier and safer to clean them when they're not attached to the stove. 2. Prepare a soapy solution. Mix some dish soap in warm water. Soak your grates in this solution for at least 15 minutes, but you can leave them soaking longer if they're very dirty. 3. Scrub the grates. Use your non-abrasive brush or sponge to scrub off the dirt. For stubborn spots, make a paste with baking soda and a little water, apply it to the grates, let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub. 4. Rinse and dry. Once you've scrubbed off all the dirt, rinse the grates thoroughly and then dry them properly before placing them back on the stove.
What if the grates are really dirty?
For very dirty grates, you might need to use a degreaser. Here's how. 1. Apply the degreaser. Following the manufacturer's instructions, apply the degreaser to your grates. Let it sit for the amount of time recommended by the manufacturer. 2. Scrub. Use your non-abrasive brush or sponge to scrub the grates. The degreaser should have loosened up the dirt, making it easier to remove. 3. Rinse and dry. As with the method above, once you've scrubbed the grates clean, you should rinse them thoroughly and dry them before putting them back on the stove. And that's it. Cleaning your gas stove grates might seem like a big job, but with the right products and techniques, you can keep them looking good as new. Remember, it's important to clean your grates regularly to maintain your stove's efficiency and lifespan. Happy cleaning!